In this episode of our real estate reality series, we're taking you inside a 2-bedroom apartment in Rio Abajo, whose rooftop has views of a lot of Panama City. We're back with Ariel, who's a realtor here, whose information can be found in the description below. We'll show you the apartment, which is listed for $800, show you some of the building amenities, touch a bit on accessibility, and show you what the street leading up to the building looks like. Welcome to the Millennials Tower in the Rio Abajo neighborhood of Panama City, Panama. Hello, my name is Aisha. I travel the world with cerebral palsy, sharing the real side of expat life, honest travel tips, and my journey towards multiple citizenships. At 46, I left my career as a utility director and moved to Panama. 31 countries and counting, I'm proving life abroad has no limits. As soon as you enter the apartment, you have the living room directly in front of you. To the left, we have the kitchen, which will be renovated. It has a gas stove, double sinks, and a good amount of cabinet and counter space. Right beyond the kitchen is a laundry area, which has a stacked washer and dryer and a window. Next, we have the living and dining room area. It has an AC unit and a ceiling fan. The balcony has views of part of Rio Abajo and Costa del Este off in the distance. The 2 bedrooms sit directly across from the kitchen. The first bedroom has a ceiling fan, an AC unit, a full-size bed, a nightstand, closets, and views of the neighboring buildings. Across from the bedroom is a full bathroom with a vent fan and a vanity. Next is the main bedroom. It has a ceiling fan, AC unit, an open closet, and a full bathroom with a vent fan.
Panama Viejo, that's the tower over there of the old city.
You know, I've never been to the old city.
No,
that's
over
one
there
thing
you can see the tower of the cathedral right there.
The lobby sits off of the entrance to the garage and has ample seating areas. It is a 39-story building and the floors have motion sensors for the hallway lights. The rooftop has a seating area and has views that seem to go on and on and on. Wow.
Nice, huh?
Wow. You literally see everything.
Yes. See, that's Metro Line 2, Metro San Miguelito, where they switch Line 1, Line 2, that goes to the airport. You can see the Baha'i temple over there in the mountain, like the egg shape, you see it over there? Baha'i temple, that's San Miguelito. San Miguelito. You can see El Dorado area, Parque Lefebvre, Rio Abajo, Panama Viejo, San Francisco.
Punta Pacifica.
Yes, Punta Pacifica. We can see the others. You can see Costa del Este.
Costa del Este.
So you can rent this if you like. They're putting some plants, some new plants.
The pool area has more seating, bathrooms, and 2 showers.
You can see all the way Santa Maria over there, Fendi. You can see the sports city, the Hipódromo, the stadium, the sports arena. Wow, the golf club. Wow. Yeah, this is Panama City.
See everything.
Yeah, Cerro Azul over there. You can see, maybe see it's part of the airport.
Okay, now I need my fan.
I get it. I tell you. Yes. Nice, huh? Everybody talks about San Miguelito over there. It's over there. Villaluque, Brisas del Golf.
Down here we have another social area with similar views.
You know, we can take Costa del Este. Santa Maria is a little farther from the city, but you know, you're like in a central location of this of the city, and you got everything. You got supermarkets, you got parks, you got everything you need. Banks, restaurants, pharmacies, hospitals, anything.
They also have a gym that has 2 bathrooms. The parking by the main entrance had a disabled parking spot. You can enter the apartment if you're in a wheelchair, but the bedrooms and bathroom doors are too narrow. The kitchen area is wide enough to navigate, but the laundry area is not. To access the balcony, you have to go over the tracking for the door. For the pool, you have to get over this small step and walk up these stairs to access the pool. The pool does have a ladder. To get to the other rooftop social area, you have to go down half a flight of stairs and walk over this step. I didn't have a chance to drive around the neighborhood like I normally do, but I was able to capture us driving up to the entrance of the building. I want to give a special shout out to the channel members for your continued support. It means more than you know. Gracias! I also want to give a shout out to those who have donated via Buy Me a Coffee, aka a Mojito, along with everyone who has given super thanks, super chats, commented, shared, liked, and given video hypes. If you enjoy this type of content, watch this one up next. And remember, the world is yours. You just have to find your place in it.